Hey friends, Tux here. You know, one of the hardest things about making videos is trying to get good lighting, and that's where this particular product comes in. This is actually a floodlight power brick, and this is available on Amazon, and I will have a link for you right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the best price. This is how it comes, very giftable, and there's all sorts of great uses for this. Besides making videos, you could easily use this for if the power goes out, you know, camping, you know, all sorts of problem areas where you don't have good lighting and you don't want to burn down the cell phone flashlight. You really don't want to do that, you know, especially if you are not going to be able to charge it easily, you know. So these are really great to take along with you. I live in Florida, we have hurricanes, and these come in handy for all sorts of reasons. But again, this is how it comes. Let's go ahead and open up this. Okay, we'll go ahead and give this a little cutty cut. There we go. And these are actually great little devices. Like, these are something which I think you should have a bunch of, okay? I know I do. I usually try and keep about 3 of them at any given time. Like right now I'm using 3 actually. I have one light over here, one light over here, and one light right up here. So I have 3 lights coming in, okay? And they're different, you know, different powers, that kind of thing. But you want things that are rechargeable, because the problem is if you're using, you know, batteries, that kind of thing, they run out. They really do. So rechargeable is honestly the way to go. Now, first off, I see this comes with something I really like. You guys know I like new cables with new devices. This is USB-C. Very simple to USB. I'm sure you're familiar with both those two ends. You can plug this in any kind of power strip, cell phone charger, anything that takes a USB, a computer, a laptop, and then this part here goes into the light to actually charge it. So you're going to save a lot of money on batteries and that kind of thing too, okay? We'll put this down here, but very nice little color matched cord. And oh, this is nice, guys. Let me see if there's an instruction manual first or anything. Oh, looking at the instructions here, check it out, guys. There's a few things I want to mention. First off, this handle here on the back is 90 degrees, so you can actually use this to aim it just the way you want it. And if you want, it even has a screw hole. You can permanently mount this to like a work surface, that kind of thing, maybe to a vehicle. There's all sorts of great uses for this. I could easily see someone mounting this to a bike or a scooter even for a super bright headlight, you know, so really a lot of great uses for it. And it even has like a little tripod screw mount, so very, very cool stuff. And again, this like actual stand goes 90 degrees, so you can see you can actually take it and make a little kickstand out of it too, which is really nice, okay? This particular thing is, again, USB charging type C, which is the most common up-to-date charger you can use, so that's exactly what I'd want, would be a type C cord, so it works with all my other electronics, you know? And I gotta tell you, this is nice, guys. Very cool metal. Like, this isn't just like plastic, this is like a metal kickstand, so very cool that it keeps your stuff, you know, nice and secure. And in the back here, we even got some buttons. Now, behind this little plastic seal here, there's actually a charging button. I don't want to scrape this, but I'm going to try and use my knife here just to pry this up ever so gently here. And behind here, you'll see that we have some hidden features here. We have both a charging, which is the USB-C going in. So to charge, all you have to do is plug in the charger just like that, and then of course plug this into your power strip, your charging, you know, dock, whatever you have, laptop, computer, power strip, whatever you want to plug it into, you know, cell phone charger, even all sorts of different ways of plugging that USB into power, okay? But if you really want to spice things up here a little bit, you could reverse it. And you see we have USB here, so this is like an output. So you can actually plug this in here, and then let's say you're out camping and all of a sudden your cell phone runs dry, you can actually plug this in your cell phone and charge your cell phone. So it works not just as a light, but also as a power source for other devices. Genius, genius, very cool stuff. So we're gonna pull this out here, and I do like the way this is kind of like, it's kind of a weather resistance strip. It's not really fully waterproof, but it will definitely resist water getting in there. By that, I mean, I wouldn't take this scuba diving, but it can be out camping or hiking, that kind of thing, you know. It's definitely nice and tight, which is great, okay? And again, just looking at it, very cool. I noticed there's some little side markers here too. More about that in a minute. Let me go ahead and hit power. Now, these usually aren't fully charged when you get them you know, straight from the factory, but let's go ahead and give this a check here. We're gonna go ahead and hit the power button. There you go. And oh, look at that. That is sweet, guys. It has backlight. Check it out. You know what? We should turn down the lights. Let's check this bad boy out in the dark. Okay, I left a little bit of room light on, but I did turn off my other lights, my other LED lights. And you can see this as the first mode here is a really cool backlight. This is almost like kind of a picture frame kind of thing. You could use this for different type of lighting effects. And I should mention this kickstand, besides being very functional, you could actually turn it this way as well. So it's really versatile to hold it in place just the way you want it, which could be great for gaming, reading in the dark, you know, all sorts of things. And of course, making YouTube videos. Okay, now continuing on here, we're going to go ahead and take a look here at the back again. And of course, that's how it looks like on the back. Very bright LEDs. Very cool. We're going to go ahead and hit the button here and check out the next mode here. Let's see, we're going to hit that. I'm also blinded by the light here. There's also a power indicator, so you can see I have 2 dots. So it comes with a little bit of a charge. It's not fully charged even, so this would even be brighter if this was fully charged. So that's something to consider. Now I'm going to hit B here, and B is the friend. Whoa, look at that. Oh my gosh. That is like the blinding sun, guys. That is bright, okay? Very, very bright. Very good for making videos, for all sorts of things. Very, very cool and bright. Look at that crisp white light. That is looking very good. Let me go ahead and hit this again just to see if you want to change modes. No problem. You can hit this and it flips to the other mode. Very cool. Nice little backlight to it. And then if you want to switch it again here, let's turn it around here. And you can see we'll hit the light and there's like a little light in the front and there's the extra bright. Now, my Sony camera I'm recording this on is actually auto dimming, so it's not going to burn the camera or whatever. But I can tell you this is a really, really bright white light. Like outside, this could easily be used for camping or things out in the dark, which would be great. You hear a noise outside, take this bad boy outside and kind of see what's, you know, lurking in the bushes. If you got a predator or, you know, some kind of like peeping Tom or something, you can kind of see what's going on. So very cool. A lot of great uses for this. Okay, so I'm outside right now. That is the moon you're looking at on New Year's Eve night. Okay, so it's very dark out here right now, and I have the light with me, and I wanted to hit the button here and just kind of see if this light would help shed some light on the darkness of New Year's Eve. So here goes. We're gonna hit the light right now. Whoa, look at that. You can definitely see if there's a mugger hiding out in those bushes or whatever, you can definitely see the person. It would definitely shed some light on the situation and help protect your home and family. So definitely something you want to do. This light could definitely help you out. I'm going to turn it off here. It dims down level 1, level 2 dim, level 3 dim, and watch darkness again. There could be muggers in those trees. Or wait, I don't even see trees. It's too dark. Oh my gosh, I need that light. So this could really help you a lot, guys. Okay, to recap, this really cool floodlight / power brick is available on Amazon, and it's very versatile, guys. The fact that you can actually use this for illuminating areas and charging other devices makes it just a really great thing to take on camping trips. It kills 2 birds with 1 stone. You can charge things, and of course you can get that needed light for security. If you make YouTube videos, if you do photography, it can be great for lighting areas as well. Love the fact the kickstand here is metal. It's got a nice durable metal kickstand. Very cool and very adjustable too. As you can see, 90 degrees. You can go vertical, you can go horizontal. Very cool. And even a mounting hole, if you want to permanently mount it somewhere, you could, which is really great. On the back here, love the fact you actually have power indicators, and right here you can actually pull this back to charge, and of course it does again come with an included cord, which that means a lot to me. And the fact that this cord is USB-C to USB is really good. It makes it very compatible with your other devices. This is a great little thing if you know someone who's looking to start doing YouTube. What a great little light to get them. And of course, if you watch YouTube videos, you'll see the lighting in some videos could use some improvement, you know, so this is definitely an area which would help them out, help them get them started. So consider this light for all sorts of things. Again, I'll have a link for this light right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours. I will be using this light in my next video I'm recording right after this one, okay? All right, friends, I want to thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, tuxtoys@gmail.com. You know I'm here to help, okay? All right, friends, we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.
Bye.